Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can manage a browse option, okay? File Explorer browse option, how you can manage, okay? So let's open the File Explorer, okay? Now you can see here there are three dots, okay? Click on option and now you can see browse folder, okay? So this browse folder, open each folder in the same window, or by default it's selected open each folder in the same window and open each folder in the new window. Let's select the second one, okay? Open each folder in a new window. When I select this, apply and okay, and now let's open another folder. Let's select this one, okay? So I double click on it and now you can see it open a new window, okay? Now you can see, let's open another, okay? So this kind of thing is very useful. So that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel.